Hello ma'am, I am Yogesh Neupane and this is my presentation for the midterm exam. And for the midterm question I got recipe management system, for which I started creating REST Express API project. First I created a project and then designed my model for recipe schema, and then I created a DB file and config.env where I copied my cluster link. Then for the node.js I use the config.env and db file which were used to insert the MongoDB server. Then to list all the recipe list I created a JSON file, and where I list two samples given in the assignment, and I added three more for the convenience. And this file was uploaded to the Mongo server using the import data function. And as per the midterm requirement, I need to have created 5 different midpoints, for which I designed the controller first. Here I created 5 different functions for 5 different midpoints, and the requirements were to get all the recipe, get all the ingredients, get the recipe by cuisine, get recipe detail by its id, and get ingredient profile. All these functions were created separately and I listed all them in the root.js. So I created 5 different routes for 5 different midpoints, and all these routes are listed in index.html as my foreground UI, and I hosted my website on render, so I updated my link as per the requirement, and I can show you the demo on live site. So this is my render and this side is for the midterm. So this is the front UI, and I listed all midpoints in the list, and I can click and get the result. So this is the list of all recipes, and this is the list of all ingredients, and this is the cuisine filtered by Indian, and this is the recipe detail, and the id is provided by object id by default, and the last the profile information about the ingredient. So I filtered with onion, and this onion ingredient is used in spaghetti and chicken curry. Thank you, that's all for the midterm presentation.